Hi there everybody, it's UK independent demonstrator Halsey here from SlimmandStylish's.com. Thank you for joining me today. Today's video is talking to you about the new papers that feature in the new annual catalogue. I did do a video on the 3rd of June when the catalogue was released, going through page by page what all the new products are in the catalogue. So if you missed it, do go back and check it and have a look. Today I'm going to be focusing on the paper and what you can get from joining my 2020 Papershare club. Okay, I love running these clubs. They're always so much fun because you get to see a little bit of every single sheet of DSP that's in the catalogue. And I have some of them here to show you today. So let's run through the DSPs in the catalogue. My Papershare includes the DSPs that are included as suites in the catalogue. So that's these four, and these two. These ones down here are coloured, they go with the colour suites rather than the stamp suites, okay? So these are not included because there's quite a few of these. But these ones up here that match with the suites and are patterned DSPs are all included in my Papershare. If you were to purchase all 10 packs together, it would cost you £128.20. So I'm going to run through each one and explain to you what you get, because you will get a quarter of each pack for £32.50 including postage by joining in my Papershare. Okay, so what you get is the Artistry Blooms Designer Series paper. So this is 12 sheets in this pack and you get 2 each of 6 double-sided designs. They're 12 by 12. So what you will actually get from me is 1 each of 6 double-sided designs, and they would be cut 12 by 6. I haven't got this paper yet to show you. It is on my order, but it is beautiful. So I'm going to bring it up so you can have a look at all the different colours in there. You can do a lot with that suite, I think. There's the flowers for every season. So this is 6 by 6 paper. And if you were to buy all of them, you'd get 48 sheets, which is 4 each of 12 double-sided designs. I will send to you 12 sheets, which is going to be 1 each of the 12 double-sided designs. And there, here, I've got this one. So these are featuring the new in colours, which I demonstrated yesterday as part of my in colour club. And they're all very floral. That one's quite Christmassy, actually. I love that one. So these are the designs on the one side, and then I will flip them over in a minute so you can see all the designs that you will get on the other side. So let's do a flip. Oh, that one calls out at you, doesn't it? Now, what I like about Stampin' Up paper is they generally they know how we want to use our paper, us crafters, that we want to see both sides. So we're going to use it for 3D projects or things like that, or you're going to want to cut it and use the other side. So they make it so that both sides generally coordinate with each other. So if you're doing a bag and you're bending it over on each other, it will work. So that is that suite, and you'll get all of that in the Papershare. Forever Greenery Designer Series paper. So this, if you bought it out of the catalogue, you'd get 12 sheets of 12 by 12 with 2 each of 6 double-sided designs. So what you'll get by joining the Papershare is you'll get 6 sheets of 6 by 12. And these are also double-sided. Now, truthfully, when I saw this Forever Greenery suite, I wasn't a fan because I thought it's going to be all greens and it's going to look a bit samey. It doesn't. I've actually been really shocked since I've had it. I love this one with the different colours in. I love that it's got Pretty Peacock in it as well. And these ones here, I think, are just gorgeous textured patterns. So I'm actually really quite happy with this paper. It was one of those where I wasn't looking forward to it and I got it and fell in love. So you'd get all of those as well as these, as well as that one in my club. In Good Taste Designer Series paper, This paper is lovely, really nice. And you get more of this paper because it's a bigger pack. So when you actually buy this out of the catalogue, you get 24 sheets. So therefore, you're going to get 12 of the 6 by 12 sheets. Okay, so I'll show you this side first. Then I'll turn it over and show you the back. So they're all sort of wooden textures. But I think they're going to be really nice for backing sheets of paper in the catalogue. So you know sort of when you're stamping in the background, you're fussy cutting out or adding ribbon, but you just have a white back on the paper. Not with these. They're going to add some lovely textures. And I love textured DSP. I think actually this is my favourite DSP in the whole catalogue. I've already started using my share of it. I'm like that kid at Christmas that unwraps all its presents before it's supposed to. But yes, I love that DSP. So that is also included and you get all of those sheets in your share. Okay. The Ornate Garden Speciality Designer Series paper. This includes foil paper and it's beautiful. And in your share, you will get 6 by 12 DSPs. So this is what you will get. You'll get this one, 6 by 12. This one. This one. This one, which I'm really looking forward to getting my blends out and colouring in. This one. These are foiled, by the way. They're lovely. Hopefully you can see that in the light. And then turning them over, you've got another one here that is white and foiled and beautiful. And then you've got these ones as well. So that's a lovely suite. And you'd get all of those in the Papershare too. Have you got a favourite one yet? I think this one might win favourite. So this is the Peony Garden Designer Series paper. I don't have it yet because we couldn't purchase it on pre-order. But this will also be included and you will also get 6 sheets that are 6 by 12 double-sided. The main colours in this are basic grey, grey granite, petal pink and whisper white. And it coordinates with this suite that's here, which I'm going to show you because I've just got a feeling it's going to be a very popular suite. So these are the DSPs and this is how people have used them on their cards. Isn't that gorgeous? And it coordinates with this stamp set here. And this is a stamp set that I think is going to be quite popular this year. I'm not going to go through the whole catalogue on this video because obviously I did it the other day. But I just wanted to show you those papers because I think they're going to be, when they arrive, I think they probably will be. And they'll take over. They'll be the new favourite. Playing with Patterns Designer Series paper here. So this is like the Flowers for Every Season. It's 6 by 6. Again, I haven't got it yet because we couldn't order it in the pre-order. But those are all the patterns that are on it. And you will get 12 sheets of 6 by 6 that are double-sided as well. And they're quite cute being all patterns. I like that. One for the animal lovers, Playful Pets. There you go. All your pooches and your dogs and your cats are all on there. I think that one's really sweet. That again is 12 by 12. So that will be cut 6 by 12 for you and you'll get 6 sheets of it. Over on this page we have A Whale of a Time. That's this one here and this is 6 by 6 as well. So you will get 12 sheets of this 6 by 6 with the double-sided designs. And that's a whaley one. I do like these character ones. And then finally, World of Good. And I can show you what you'll be getting with this because, wow, it's beautiful. It's foiled, it's shiny, it's gorgeous. Maps, travelling. So if anyone does traveller's notebooks, vlogs about travelling, things like that, scrapbooking, these are going to be absolutely perfect. I really like the foils in them, but then even on the other side, the grungy bits are gorgeous too. So you will also get all of those in the Papershare too. So this is part of a Papershare, just the ones that we could order on pre-order. So you've got your World of Good, your Ornate Garden, your Textures one, in Good Taste, sorry, which is the big one, your Forever Greenery, and then you've got all the sunflowers and the flowery ones there. You will get additional 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so you'll get another 5 because there's 10 sheets, and it will cost you £32.50 instead of the £128.20 that it will cost you for all of it. If you want to join in, just drop me a message. You can be in any of our European countries or in the UK, and I will pop them in the post to you as soon as they come. Just drop me an email, slimandstylish@live.co.uk. My blog is just down here so you can see it and contact me, or you can give me a call and I take payment by PayPal. These will all get bundled up quite nicely for you, and there is also a special free gift that will come with them as a thank you for ordering from my Papershare. Okay, any questions, just let me know, and do subscribe to see what I'm going to be making with these papers over the way. If you're watching this and it's no longer June, because this is the June catalogue has just arrived, still contact me and I'll be able to get you into a Papershare and send them out to you at a later date, so you can still order these. That's no problem. And check my website as well, because I will have a new hostess code. So when you place any orders with me through my actual website, the Papershare isn't on my website, you have to come to me separately for that. But any orders of stamp sets and anything like that from the catalogue on my website, when you get to the end to place the order, it will ask you for a hostess code. If you enter my hostess code that's current that month, you'll find it on my website, SlimmandStylish.com. You actually get a free little gift from me as a thank you for your order. Okay, so these are all the papers. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.